In this video, I show how to change oil on a Maserati Ghibli. I don't know if I said that right. Hopefully I said that right. The Ghibli comes standard with a 3.0 liter twin turbocharged V6, making about 345 horsepower and 369 foot-pounds of torque. This thing also comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Fuel mileage is around 17 miles per gallon in the city with all the stop-and-go type driving, and then 24 miles to the gallon for on highway. This car looks great and sounds great, but I wasn't able to get a sound clip for it. I'll start doing that in my future videos. Enjoy.
Go get your clothes.
Cut this out in the water, get them good.
Them headlights look fancy, bro. This thing looks so good.
Yeah.
So, what are those? T30s? T25s?
T30.
T30. You got about 10 of these Jones. 10 to 15. T30 Torx bits. And then get this diffuser off. So you wanna pry on the button. Yeah, there you go. And then we got this little tool. Takes the center out. Actually, the whole thing came out. There you go. Oh, there goes my side. Alrighty, so this is the oil pan. If you're looking at the passenger side wheel, the drain plug and the oil pan is on the passenger side right here. And it looks like 10 millimeter hex end or a 10 millimeter Allen key socket. So it looks like that's the oil filter housing. Down here, this plastic thing right there, this thing. So now I'm showing that you have to remove the air box or air cleaner assembly to get to that oil filter cartridge housing. There's about 3 retainer pins. You pop them out with a flathead. I was struggling a little bit because this is the first time I'm touching a Maserati like this. So there goes the cover. Take the filter out, and that lower carriage, there's a sensor that's plugged into that towards the front. And you just got to remove that wire, and this should let you just pop it straight up. There's 3 rubber grommets holding it from sliding right out.
I think it came out as one.
That's the car.
I think the tow truck is coming down. I think I just took that sensor off.
But it doesn't start, right?
There you go. Oh, that's it. Just unplug the sensor.
I'm gonna show Papa you trying to fix it, okay?
And that's it.
I don't know who did that.
He sees, look, he sees. Good.
That's probably... We ended up using the 1 1/16 socket, I would say like a 8-inch or 10-inch extension. You may want to use a rag or some type of paper towel to sit here and collect oil spill under the filter housing. It does make pretty much a mess. You got this top cover removed. That's where you fill your oil at. This thing takes what, 7 quarts? 7 quarts. Let me just take a look. The owner went with a Pennzoil full synthetic 5W40. Like I said, 7 quarts. Make sure you tighten your drain plug, put on the fill cap, and everything's good.